Koalas, while adorable, live a very slow-paced life. On average, they spend up to 22 hours a day sleeping or napping. This is because their diet consists mainly of eucalyptus leaves, which have low nutritional and energy value. Eucalyptus leaves are also difficult to digest due to their high toxin content, meaning that a koala's body uses a lot of energy to process them. Long hours of sleep help koalas conserve energy that would otherwise be lost through activity. This is one reason why they aren't very active. Their metabolism is exceptionally slow. Human anatomy, especially our joints, muscles, and sweat cooling system, evolved to make us excellent long-distance runners. Anthropologists believe that our ancestors engaged in persistence hunting, chasing prey over long distances until the animal collapsed from exhaustion. This ability to run long distances in hot conditions, when other predators needed to stop and cool down, gave humans an evolutionary advantage. Starlings are incredibly intelligent birds, known for their ability to mimic a variety of sounds from their environment. They can imitate the calls of other birds, machine noises, and even the ringtones of cell phones. Their mimicry skills likely stem from their need for communication and marking their territory. In urban areas, where these birds frequently interact with humans, they often incorporate the sounds of everyday life, which can surprise both scientists and casual listeners. Although shark teeth may appear more powerful because of their size and sharpness, the hardness of human teeth, particularly the enamel, is comparable to that of sharks. Enamel is the hardest substance in the human body, primarily made of hydroxyapatite, which makes our teeth highly resistant to wear. Just like sharks, humans rely on this protection to efficiently break down food throughout their lifetime. Honeybees perform the waggle dance to inform other bees about the location of food sources. This dance involves specific movements that communicate details about distance, direction, and quality of the nectar, pollen, or water. The dancing bee traces a figure-8 pattern, and the angle and duration of the movements convey precise information about where the food is located in relation to the sun. This form of communication is not only highly accurate, but also vital for the hive's survival. The Earth emits low-frequency vibrations, known as microseisms, that are caused by internal and external processes, such as ocean waves or wind. Although we cannot hear these vibrations, they can be detected by sensitive seismometers. The Earth's constant hum is still a topic of research, with scientists investigating its exact causes. One theory suggests that the vibrations result from ocean waves interacting with the seafloor. The tallest tsunami ever recorded took place in Lituya Bay, Alaska, on July 9, 1958. Triggered by a massive landslide into the bay, the wave reached a staggering height of 524 meters, 1,720 feet. The event was caused by a powerful tectonic earthquake and, fortunately, it occurred in a relatively remote area, minimizing the number of casualties. This event remains one of the most extreme examples of natural disasters in recorded history. Research has shown that sound waves of the right frequency can heat water through a process called acoustic cavitation. High-intensity sound waves create tiny bubbles in a liquid, and when these bubbles implode, they generate heat. This phenomenon has potential applications in various fields, including future heating technologies and medical treatments, but more research is needed before it can be widely utilized. The tallest known tree in the world is a coast redwood, Sequoia sempervirens, named Hyperion, located in California's Redwood National Park. The tree was discovered by naturalists in 2006 and stands at over 115 meters, 379 feet, tall. Redwoods are among the oldest and largest living organisms on Earth, with many of them being thousands of years old. These trees thrive in the foggy, moist forests of the Pacific coast, where the environment provides ideal conditions for them to grow to such staggering heights.